Most people wake up anxious about money, unsettled bills, unanswered bank notifications, credit card balances that seem to grow overnight, and inboxes full of statements they never open. The feeling, lying awake at 2 a.m. wondering if you'll have enough next month, next year, or for retirement. This isn't just stress, it's a crisis of clarity. Without a system, money becomes a source of fear instead of a tool for progress. Today's script will help you break that cycle. We're going to build a clear, reliable roadmap, one that brings peace, predictability, and purpose to your financial life. Organizing your finances isn't about spreadsheets or filing receipts, it's about control. According to behavioral economics research, uncertainty drives anxiety, and uncertainty around money is one of the most common stressors globally. When you don't know what's coming in and going out, your brain defaults to fight or flight. But once you organize, categorize, assign purpose, and plan, you shift from reactive to proactive. You gain clarity and confidence, and that's where transformation begins. Before planning the future, you must confront the present. Start by gathering financial statements, bank accounts, credit cards, loans, bills, investments, and pay stubs. Make a list of all balances, interest rates, due dates, and minimum payments. This is not optional. According to personal finance experts, if it's not written down, it doesn't exist. Seeing everything laid out dissolves denial, reveals patterns, and gives you the raw data you need to build a strategy. Once you know where you stand, track every dollar you receive and spend for at least one full month. There are 3 ways to do this: pen and paper, budgeting apps like YNAB or Mint, or a simple spreadsheet. YNAB, you need a budget, teaches that every dollar needs a job. Mint auto-categorizes transactions to reveal habits. A spreadsheet keeps you in control. Whichever tool fits your style, the goal is the same: visibility. When you see exactly where your money flows, you can make intentional choices. After tracking, categorize expenses into essentials and non-essentials. Essentials include housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments. Non-essentials are dining out, subscriptions, entertainment, impulse buys, and upgrades. This separation reveals leverage. Most budgets fail because people treat all spending the same. When you distinguish between what you need and what you want, you unlock discretionary dollars you can redirect toward goals. Now that you understand your cash flow, it's time to assign purpose. Financial goals fall into 3 categories: short-term 0-12 months, medium-term 1-5 years, and long-term 5+ years. Short-term goals might include emergency savings and high-interest debt payoff. Medium-term could be buying a car or home down payment. Long-term often means retirement and legacy planning. According to your money or your life, aligning spending with values transforms money from a stressor into a life compass. Define clear, measurable goals with deadlines. Budgeting is planning forward, anticipating income, and assigning every dollar a job before you spend. A proven method is the zero-based budget, where income minus expenses equals 0, not because you spend everything, but because every dollar is allocated to a category, including saving and debt. Another approach is the 50-30-20 rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings debt. Choose the framework that fits your situation, but commit to one system. Budgets aren't meant to restrict, they're meant to empower choices. Automation is one of the most powerful tools in financial organization. Set up automatic transfers to savings and retirement accounts and automate bill payments. According to financial psychologists, automation removes decision fatigue and reduces late fees. Treat savings like a recurring expense rather than an afterthought. When funds move automatically, you're less tempted to divert them. Every financial plan needs a buffer. Aim first for a starter emergency fund of $1,000, then build up to 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This protects you from the most common financial emergencies: car repairs, medical costs, income gaps. According to the Total Money Makeover, the emergency fund is foundational. Without it, debt creeps back when life happens. Know exactly where your emergency fund lives, a separate high-yield savings account, and don't touch it for non-emergencies. Debt is one of the biggest barriers to financial organization. But not all debt is equal. List all debts with balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. 2 popular payoff strategies are the debt snowball, smallest balance first, and the debt avalanche, highest interest rate first. Snowball builds psychological momentum. Avalanche saves money on interest. Choose the path that keeps you motivated, but don't ignore high-interest debt. It kills progress. Your credit score influences loan rates, job prospects, and housing opportunities. 2 of the biggest factors are payment history and credit utilization, the percentage of your credit limit you're using. Aim to keep utilization below 30%. Pay on time every month, and if needed, set automated reminders. Monitoring your free credit report annually helps you catch errors and fraud. Organized finances include organized credit because your financial reputation matters. Retirement might feel distant, but time is your greatest asset thanks to compound interest. If your employer offers a retirement plan with matching contributions, contribute at least enough to capture the full match. It's free money. After that, consider IRAs or Roth IRAs for tax-advantaged growth. According to Vanguard and other investment authorities, starting early greatly reduces the amount you need to save later. Once you have emergency savings and handle high-interest debt, start investing. Diversification is a key principle. Don't put all your money into one stock, sector, or property. Instead, use broad market index funds or ETFs that spread risk across hundreds or thousands of companies. Nobel laureate economist Harry Markowitz established that diversification improves risk-adjusted returns. A simple portfolio might mix stocks for growth and bonds for stability, adjusted by your age and risk tolerance. Taxes are inevitable, but smart planning reduces what you owe. Maximize pre-tax retirement contributions, understand deductions and credits available to you, and consider tax-efficient investment accounts for long-term growth. Consult a tax professional if your situation is complex. Organized finances include planning for taxes throughout the year, not scrambling during tax season. No budget lasts forever unchanged. Life events, raises, job changes, family growth, market shifts require adjustments. Schedule a monthly finance review, check your budget, track progress toward goals, and update categories as needed. This regular check-in keeps your plan alive and responsive. According to financial behavior research, consistent review increases financial confidence and long-term success. Organization isn't solely technical, it's psychological. Ask yourself, why am I spending this? Aligning money with personal values increases satisfaction and reduces impulsive buys. Many financial therapists suggest value-based budgeting, prioritizing categories that reflect who you are and what matters most. This links discipline with purpose, making organization sustainable. Accountability strengthens financial habits. Share goals with a partner, join a finance group, or work with a coach. Tools like budgeting apps, alerts, and visual trackers keep you engaged. Studies show that people with accountability systems are significantly more likely to stick to plans. Organization thrives not just with systems, but with support. Mindful spending means pausing before purchase to assess if it aligns with goals. It's a skill developed over time. Some people use a 24-hour rule for non-essentials, others implement spending fasts. Mindfulness reduces impulse buys and reinforces intentionality. When you spend with awareness, your budget becomes a reflection of choice, not reaction. The financial world evolves, new tools, regulations, and opportunities emerge constantly. Commit to ongoing education through books, podcasts, and reputable sources like The Intelligent Investor Benjamin Graham and The Simple Path to Wealth J.L. Collins. Knowledge empowers better decisions and fortifies your organized system against misinformation. By now, you've gathered your financial data, tracked every dollar, categorized spending, set meaningful goals, built a working budget, automated savings, tackled debt strategically, planned for retirement, diversified investments, and reviewed your plan regularly. You didn't just organize numbers, you reclaimed control. Financial organization brings freedom from stress, from uncertainty, and from reactive living. This clarity lets money serve your life, not complicate it. You're now equipped with a robust system that turns intention into progress and brings measurable peace of mind.